Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. We are into advanced accounting valuation of goodwill. Introduction is over. Now the problems means the practical problems will work out of the 5 methods, 4 methods are practical. Okay. The first method is here for practical, simple average method. Average method, in fact, average method we know that two methods are there, simple average, weighted average. Okay. So how do we calculate goodwill in simple average method, we will see. Weighted average in the next class. Before going to the subject, let me tell you there are many subjects which already covered only by me in our channel. Check out the playlist and don't forget to forward these videos. Now coming to this simple average method, formula also simple, nothing is there, nothing to worry. Simple average method means average we have to calculate. The formula is like this. First we will calculate the average of the profits, and after that the formula is goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. How many of number of years purchased, that number will be given, means approximately they will be assuming that 5 years, 3 years, how many years, that years will be given. To find out the goodwill in simple average, we need average profit and number of years purchased. This is given in the problem. That's it. Nothing to worry. Very simple, simple average method. Now here is a small problem. You may expect this kind of problems in short. Okay, but base also this is. Now the problem is the profits of the last 5 years were, first year 32,000, 38,000, 42, 39, 45. So these are the profits of the last 5 years. Calculate the goodwill at 3 years average profits. At 3 years average profits of the last 5 years. 3 years average profit they are asking us. Okay, number of years purchased. So what we need to do is step number 1, that is calculate the average profit. First we will calculate average profit. Average profit is equal to, will total all the profits. So 32,000 plus 38,000 plus 42,000 plus 39,000 plus 45,000. Average means divided by 5. You know that. Even school students will tell the answer. So now what we'll do, calculate 32,000 plus 38,000 plus 42,000 plus 39,000 plus 45,000 plus, it is coming to 1,96,000. 1,96,000 divided by 5. Divided by 5 it is 39,200 is the average profit. 39,200. Okay. Step number 1 is over. Now step number 2, we have to take the formula, because average profit we got. Number of years purchased, it is given 3 years. Okay. So that will apply in the formula only. Now we can go to the step number 2, goodwill. Goodwill is equal to same formula, average profit by profit into number of years purchased. Number of years of purchase. Average profit is, you know, 39,200 you got already. Into number of years purchased, where it is 3 years. Multiply 39,200 into 3. It is 1,17,600. That's all. This is goodwill. Simple calculation. So there is nothing to worry. First take the screenshot or note down. Let me explain the problem. Basic problem. If you understand step by step, we'll go ahead and we'll complete all the methods. Okay. Now right now we have discussed simple average method for calculation of goodwill. The formula you have to remember, Goodwill calculation formula: average profit into number of years purchase. Number of years purchase will be given in the problem, and profits also given in the problem. Average profit you have to take. Average profit means what we have done. First, total up. First step it is, this is the first step. Average profit, totaled all the profits, divided by 5, you got 39,200. This is average profit. Once if you get it, write the formula. Average profit into number of years purchased. Number of years purchased is here 3 years. So average profit is, already you got it, number of years purchased 3. If you multiply this, you are getting 1,17,600. That's it. Am I clear? In the coming class, we will see some more problems related to the simple average and also weighted average. Okay? Practice well. Throughout the year you study. Exams before, just revise it. You will be the topper always. So stay connected to our channel. Don't forget to share these videos. Okay? Have a bright and wonderful career. Good luck.